Hi, my name is Tim Pfeiffer, and I'm a client advocate for companies and government agencies that are being significantly overcharged for their wireless voice and data service. I want to share with you the truth about your real voice and data wireless usage and the effect it has on your company's or your agency's bottom line. As you will see in this presentation, we are the solution to help combat the extensive abuse of overcharging for wireless services. We couldn't be more excited about our partnership with the SafeBridge Group, and we're looking forward to working with each and every one of you. So, who are we? Well, we are a team of wireless consultants and cost reduction experts with decades of wireless experience, including carrier management and wireless cost recovery auditing. We provide nationwide coverage and are committed to helping our clients achieve the largest wireless cost reduction possible. In fact, our clients are experiencing an average savings of 30% every single month, with some clients seeing savings as high as 50%. The reality is that over 95% of the companies, counties, or cities we work with and have audited are being significantly overcharged, and for no other reason than that's what the market will allow. Here at SDS, we have the experience, the process, and the track record to help you reduce your wireless expense. Our process starts with finding your real voice and data usage, and then we match those real usage numbers to the most cost-effective voice and data plans available from your current wireless carrier. We do this without changing your current carrier agreement. So note, there are no changes to your current carrier or carrier contract. This is performed inside your current carrier agreement. So let's discuss the outcomes that you'll experience by engaging our team in this proven cost savings program. First, you're going to learn whether or not you are paying for and receiving the appropriate level of service from your wireless provider, or you'll learn you're being overcharged. And in this case, I'd like to ask you a simple question. If your business is being overcharged on something it must have and already uses, wouldn't you want to know about it? Because of our compensation model, you have absolutely nothing to risk and everything to gain. You see, we sit on the same side of the table as our clients, and because of that business model, we are fully incentivized to find all possible savings. Remember, we offer a risk-free compensation model that guarantees zero expense to you. So let me highlight the benefits of our service. First, we offer a minimum guaranteed savings of 10% where your company keeps the savings we find at no charge. This guarantee offer is so you know without a doubt that you'll be rewarded for your time and consideration. To be honest, we have never saved a client less than 20%. Next, you should know we are only compensated on verifiable monthly savings. This program is 100% contingent on saving you money. In addition to the savings, we provide monthly invoice auditing, billing, and administration to ensure you continue to receive all possible savings. Next, we continually monitor and negotiate with your wireless carriers for billing error recovery and corrections if and when they occur. In fact, we have successfully negotiated a one-time historical billing error credit for one of our clients that was just over $100,000. We can accomplish all this and still guarantee not to ever restrict your voice or data usage needs in any way. The only thing that will change for you, the client, is the amount you pay your current wireless carrier each and every month. Another benefit to working with us is there is no budgetary review, capital outlay, or funding needed to participate in this savings program. Our wireless cost reduction efforts truly are the most pain-free cost savings your company or city will ever experience. In fact, we will have an immediate and positive and direct impact to your bottom line. And finally, just as important as the savings is our ability to optimize your employees' time. This program provides for the use of our time, our expertise, and our industry knowledge to continually audit and maximize your wireless cost savings, not your staff's. In this slide, we highlight a few of the industries we serve, from county and city governments to hospitals to utility companies and service companies. If your business has 40 or more wireless devices, we can help. So highlighted in this slide are a few customer testimonies and individuals who decided it was time for a change. Our first testimony is from a boat motor manufacturer. And as you'll see, not only has this client saved a substantial amount of money of $100,000 every single year since our involvement, but they've also realized the savings in time. We have been successful in helping redirect employee and management time to other activities unrelated to wireless services. And as you know, time is money. Our next testimony is from a medical service center. And if you're familiar with this industry, you know that in many hospitals and medical centers, they are overworked and understaffed. So you can imagine having the ability to lower their wireless bill by 43% without any resources from their staff was a pleasant surprise. In fact, they recognized that if it wasn't for the professional team and expertise at SDS, they would have continued to be overcharged for these services indefinitely. Our last testimony is a county government. As you can see, these government employees are constantly tasked with making difficult decisions about their budgets. The men and women that serve in these positions have difficult decisions to make when additional resources are needed to maintain or improve government services. As you can imagine, if they are offered an alternative to raising taxes or cost on their citizen versus cutting the expense of services they must have and already use, well, these men and women will always choose the latter. The problem is most government representatives aren't aware that this type of assistance is available. Once they learn of it, they're all in. On this page, you'll see a couple government representatives that have learned about and immediately took action to receive the advantage of our wireless cost reduction services. They understood that the savings we provide to their counties helped offset dollar for dollar those costs that they would need to pass on to their community members. On this page, we want to offer a quick glance into the potential overcharges and misleading data provided by wireless companies. The information on this slide is used with the permission of one of our clients, and any identifying or proprietary information has been removed. Now let's start with the spreadsheet on the left. This is the monthly usage summary taken directly from one of the wireless carriers' reporting platform. If you look to the bottom of the column titled Total Allowance Minutes, this is the number of minutes the wireless carrier recommends that this customer buy each month. As you'll see, they recommend buying 10,400 voice minutes. Now the column next to that, titled Used Minutes, shows the individual minutes used per device in each row, and then at the bottom, the total minutes used for this particular month, which equates to 7,991 voice minutes. However, when you break down the real usage by cell number, we get a totally different story. Let's start with the spreadsheet on the right side of the page, and in this example, we took the first cell number that's highlighted in blue shown on the monthly usage summary. You'll notice that the wireless company reported that this number used and paid for 698 minutes. But the reality is outlined in the spreadsheet on the right side of the page. The fact is this line used 25 minutes for family and friends, which are free minutes, 617 minutes that are mobile to mobile, which are also free minutes, and then 40 minutes of nights and weekends, again, free minutes. So of the 698 total minutes used in this example, 682 minutes were free minutes, leaving a whopping 16 billable minutes. Once we completed our line-by-line audit, our team determined this wireless customer real usage was less than 1,000 billable minutes per month. That's a tenth the recommended usage from their wireless provider. The problem here, this happens with every line, every account, every customer, and every carrier. Folks, this is not done by accident. These wireless carriers are revenue-generating sales organizations that do whatever they can to maintain this inflated revenue stream. So let me ask you, are you ready to let our team perform a zero-risk audit of your wireless account to determine how much money we can save you? On this slide, we highlight the form used to submit new client data. The form itself highlights our contingency statement showing our 10% guaranteed savings along with our commitment to keep client information confidential. Once we've received this form, a call will go out to the sales rep first to get any last-minute details about the client. Then we will contact the client to schedule a review call that will address how to set our team up with view-only access to their wireless account, and then to discuss the details of our agreement. At this time, we will also confirm their email and make sure they have all their questions answered before sending over our agreement to be signed electronically. Folks, this concludes my presentation, and I want to take a minute to say thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to hear about this exciting opportunity. We truly are excited about being a part of the SafeBridge family, where we believe in doing well by doing good. If you have any specific questions for me or would like to know a little bit more about this program, feel free to reach out to me by phone or email. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I hope you have a blessed day.